Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel, and I'm here with another video. And in today's video we will learn about the sensors, tire alignment sensor. This boom loaders, its wheel alignment become out of order after 1 week. So I'm going to check wheel alignment sensors of this boom loader and show you how we can check the sensor. So be with me. So I'm going to show you the sensor. Where are these two sensors? One sensor is a front side and one sensor is on the back side. So I will check both the sensors, they are working or not. So viewers, you can see this one is a rear tire alignment sensor and other one is on the front side. So I will go on front side and we will show you. And this is second one on the front sides. This. So as you can say, I am going to remove this plate of the rear front sensor. Okay, first I remove this plate, and after removing the plate I will test the sensor, it's working or not. So we switch on the loader. So operator has switched on this one. So what I will do, I will using this strip. Okay, I will put strip here downside and we'll check. This one is my LED. My LED is here in this. You can see LED is here, and I will put strip. This strip is here to testing. If this sensor will good, then this LED will lit. Okay, so I'm going to put downside here. You can see. So here you can see I am touching downside the sensor with a strip, but my LED is upside is not lighting. So LED is not lit, it means my sensor is a faulty. So I will order the new sensor. Due to this faulty sensor, the alignment of the tires become out after 1 week. So it means my sensor is a faulty. So now I will check on the front side, front wheel sensor, that will also will check this is good or not. So viewers, you can see. So here you can see this one is my front wheel sensor here. So I will touch this strap is downside here, and you will see the light here in this area. Light will lit when I will touch. This strip is downside here. Okay, so you can see I put camera upside, so you will see the light. You will see the light here. Okay, so I'm going to touch. So you can see this light is a see. So this means my this sensor is okay, good one. Okay, this sensor is a good one. So front sensor, front wheel sensor is a okay. Okay, this one. In this way we will test this sensor. So light is lit. So I am touching. I touch this strip here downside in this area here. So light is lit. Okay, understand? So in this way we also check this sensor like this. So this sensor is okay, but my rear wheel sensor is not good. That is not lit. So here you understand how we can check the alignment sensor of a JCB boom loader. Okay, so in this machine my back tire alignment sensor is faulty and front one is a good one. Therefore this sensor's tire alignment become out after 1 to 2 weeks. Okay, so now I have ordered new sensor. When new sensor will come, so I will fix, so my problem will finish. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends.